Dimitri, buddy, we gotta go film the unboxing for your channel. Dimitri, what's your expectations for this butter?
I think it's gonna be.
This is 3 years old. So this is Owen's butter.
My friend gave this to me. It's probably butter, I think.
3.5 years old now?
Yeah, basically.
Epic. So we made it to the beach because we don't want to do it in the house.
Started this channel. I thought I'd just make stupid videos, like Mr. Mediocre, but this shit has no date. What's up?
Oh my god.
Get a hammer.
Lefty loosey, buddy. Lefty loosey, ready tighty, pal. Yeah, I'll give it a try.
You guys want to get a hammer?
Why would Dane be able
This
to?
guy's gonna broke it open like
Do it, come on! Come on! Get my jar open! I got my My Little Pony.
Oh, it's because there's so much tension. Go get like a knife or a hammer.
Forrest McLuckin Craig. How do you feel? How do you feel about this out-of-date butter? Yeah. I don't know Filipino. There comes our guy.
Oh my god.
I don't speak Filipino. Owen, do you speak Filipino? I need to smack the shit out of this butter because we can't open it. So it's like, oh, I dented it.
Hit the rim.
Oh, no.
Hit the rim,
Oh,
shit ass.
it's seeping out. It's
Oh my
seeping out.
god. Hit
It's-
the rim, shit ass.
Oh, I'm gonna break the.
Do a rim. Do the rim job.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't think that's butter.
I can't believe it's not butter.
It might be cream cheese at this point.
It got on me.
Here comes the interview host.
Fuck's sake.
As hard as you
Everyone
can.
back up.
As hard as I can.
Hit the glass.
That won't work. Then it'll just.
Yeah, do an overhead. Oh my fucking god.
No, my butter!
Taste test.
Don't taste that.
Taste it.
How did it taste?
You idiot.
What does it taste like? It's not butter, it's mayonnaise at this point. No, I'm not kidding. That's mayonnaise. Wait, no, it tastes like ranch.
I made ranch. Y'all want some ranch? Those carrots. That's fucking disgusting.
Hey, give me a phone.
We shouldn't have touched either this glass around.
So, that was the
That was fucking ranch.
Ranch.
That was fucking
that
ranch.
was the butter review.
3-year-old butter.
Connor, look, that smells.
It's ranch.
Hey, that smells.
Me and Jane tasted it.
Here, hold this.
Oh, fuck.
Okay. Oh God,
It's on him. He has the gunk. Quarantine him.
that's a legitimate gag.
It's ranch. You can't tell me it's not ranch dressing.
It's
Here.
I'm going to puke. That tasted awful.
I don't want anything near me. I hope to speak Filipino
Quarantine
soon.
him.
As always, fuck you.